I want to talk to my girl, my homie, my fuck baby. Hey, you, my fucking baby. My fucking baby. Oh, my homie. Kia baby. Fucking baby. Come on, call. Hello, my fucking baby.
Hi, what are you doing right now?
I was just remembering you.
Yeah? You miss me?
I miss you. You're my fuck baby. I miss you all the time. You're my booty girl, the sexy booty girl.
Can I come over? To come over there?
Yeah, you're looking very hot today.
Thank you.
You're looking awesome today.
Thank
How old you are?
me?
Yeah.
I'm 25. You didn't know that? I'm young.
Okay. And what was your first sexual experience? When did you get fucked first?
Uh, I think I was a teen. Yeah. Yeah.
18.
Yeah.
And who did fuck you? A girl or a boy?
It was a boy.
Okay. You didn't get fucked by a girl?
No, no, not my first experience. No, no,
Okay.
no.
Well, I will introduce to some Indian hot boys, okay?
Like Peloni?
My friends. I will introduce to my friends and they're nice people.
Okay. But
They're
what
very nice.
today? Make sure you pin me because people are
Yeah,
asking for me and they can't
yeah,
find.
yeah, yeah, I will. So, can you just type?
How you not know your girlfriend name?
Okay, wait. I will type it for you if you don't.
I I
Your Highness. Okay,
I
wait. I will do it for you.
I typed it.
Okay, you type it.
Yes, it's right there.
Okay. So I will just pin it. Wait.
Hi guys, I am your highness. I am the Queen of Jamaica. I live in the United States.
You live in New York, right?
Right now, I'm currently in New York, not in California. When I'm in California, I stay in Hollywood.
Okay. Okay, my love. My fuck baby. My fucking fuck baby. Okay, you said that your vagina is very big. How big it is? It's what? It's very rough. It's very thick.
It's fat.
Okay,
I wouldn't say big. I would say fat.
okay, it's very fat like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's very it looks angry. I have a when people are angry, they're like this because they're mad. So I have a angry vagina.
Okay.
Yeah.
I will introduce to my friend. She's very nice.
Okay. Is she in India? Where is she located?
Yeah, she's from India. I think you met her yesterday.
She was on live?
Yeah, yesterday she was on live. I will introduce you to her. Wait. Her name is Sonia. Then I will introduce to Panodi also. Wait.
She came on, but she got off right away. I remember she got off so fast. We were talking about Poloni and she got off. Why?
There is one gay also. I will introduce to one gay. There are so many people, but I don't know why they are not getting added. Just wait.
Okay.
I don't know what's wrong with the Instagram.
I'm going to lay down just like you. Should I lay down?
Yeah, you can, as you wish. You can just lie down.
I'm laying lying down. I'm lying down. And you said this Sonia girl, she's in India.
Yeah, she's in India.
Okay.
There is one guy. He's little angry with me. I'm taking that guy on the call.
Okay. What time is it in India right now?
In India, it is 2 o'clock midnight.
It is late.
Oh,
It is late.
yeah, it is 2 o'clock.
She's not coming
What
on.
is the time? What is the time there in New York?
It's just 4 p.m.
Okay. भाई लाइट ऑन करो. हेलो, लाइट ऑन करो भाई.
No, her connection is not picking up.
हेलो. हेलो.
Its connection is bad.
Okay, wait. I will introduce to my one.
I don't think I didn't even notice that I didn't have on any lashes, but I still look pretty though.
Oh, you're wearing eyelashes? Okay.
I didn't put on, you know how the girls put
Hello, Deep.
Hi, Sonia.
Hello,
Hey,
how are you?
I'm not Sonia.
No?
This
Deepak,
girl is nice.
I am
This
not.
girl is this girl is nice.
Oh, okay. It's not
Sonia is fucking every hotel, but this girl is good girl.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, she doesn't fuck.
How are you, buddy? How are you doing today?
Fine.
I'm asking her.
I'm doing okay. We were talking last night to someone. I thought it was you. I made a mistake.
Okay. And what you are up to today? You are going to show us some booty shake. Shake that booty.
No, it's bedtime for everybody, so no shaking.
No, it's not. There are 2,085 people watching you.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, they all love your booty. They all love your booty.
Yeah, they all love your booty. When you shake it, they just go crazy. Yeah. Just
So-
play some. I want to see your booty shake on that. Walk. No. Walk. Please show that.
That's the song. Yeah.
Yeah, please.
Tomorrow I'm gonna do it for Lord. Tomorrow I'm gonna do it.
Please, just a trailer today, please. Everybody's saying, see.
I can't.
Yeah.
No, tomorrow I'm gonna do it. Tomorrow I'm gonna put on something nice.
Hey, you are already looking so beautiful. Trust me.
Thank you.
Yeah. Now, hey, Qureshi is also there. Qureshi is also there. Deepan. उन्हें add करो एक मिनट. There is one dancer, like he can. Yeah.
Hi Deepak, hi Snazzy.
How are you?
Hi everyone. Hi
Hi.
Your Highness. How are you?
I'm doing good.
How are you, my darling? Yesterday you shaked very well your booty, huh? You do very good twerking.
Thank you. You look so pretty.
Thank you so much. You are not less. You are not less pretty.
Oh my God! In India, people are crazy. People are crazy for you.
Crazy seeing the booty shake. Can you shake that booty, buddy?
Please, can you shake that?
Oh my God! People are crazy. Crazy in India for you. People are crazy for your booty in India.
They're
People are
crazy
crazy.
watching you shake your booty, man.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do it for you tomorrow.
Shake your booty like a belly dancer. Shake your booty.
Yeah.
You know I'm signing up for.
I want to really meet you, and
I'm gonna sign up for belly dancing classes.
No, just
Oh,
shake.
just shake,
Shake
na?
it.
You just do some dance and teach us. Even we want to learn, how you twerk.
We also want to learn, how to shake that booty.
Okay,
Can
so
you?
How do you made
so
it?
what you
How you
what you
made it?
can do? See what you can do. You can just teach them how to shake the booty,
They don't know how to
and
shake
then
their booty?
no, and they will just follow you. They will follow you. I mean, they will.
Yeah.
You just teach them how to do it.
So tomorrow we're gonna have a dancing setup.
No, there is no
No,
tomorrow.
no, just for
I will.
5 minutes.
God knows,
You
I
can
will
do it
die
for
today.
5 minutes. You can do it
If
for
I
five
would die
minutes,
today, there
girl.
will no tomorrow come.
Yeah, when
Uh,
who has seen tomorrow? Nobody has seen tomorrow. Whatever it is today.
you guys are
My
crazy.
God, people are crazy for you.
Obviously, yesterday night I saw your dance. It was really out of the world. Really.
Thank you, thank you,
Love you. Where
thank
do
you.
you stay? Where do you stay actually? Where
New
do you
York
stay?
City. I'm in
Oh,
Manhattan.
so nice. New York.
Everybody is saying, "Come on, babe. Tomorrow never
Come on.
comes."
Very great. Wow. I'm
Let me
so
see what you can do.
what?
Let me
She
see if
wants
you
you
can
to shake your
dance.
booty now.
Yes.
Actually, I don't have good booty. I
Even I don't
cannot shake that.
I don't have I
What?
Just go for that.
Shake what you have.
This song.
I'm not proper.
Tra,
Otherwise I have
tra.
to change the dress. I have to change the dress and come.
Okay,
Shake what
Lubna.
you have.
Lubna, change your dress and come.
तो तुम कर
And
लो
then
ना
we dance.
स्नेजी तुम ही कर लो ना
No,
I
for real.
am in my night suit.
Oh, you're in the
So
night clothes. Okay.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we should do something in the daytime.
Yeah,
Some,
sure, we should do it.
Yeah.
We should
And
do it
we
tomorrow.
we are so rich. We wear Chanel and Gucci only.
You know,
Chanel,
yeah,
Chanel and Gucci.
yeah.
What
It's yachts and
what you
Chanel
wear? Can you
and lot
show
of
me your
brands,
Gucci?
Fossil.
I'm wearing Gucci right now.
And I'm
Oh,
wearing
very
Fossil right now.
nice.
I'm wearing a Fossil right
Very.
now, and I'm wearing this
Fossil,
gold bangle.
Chanel, and Versace.
It costs
Yeah,
around two.
all in.
It costs around 2 lakhs. You know, $2,000 in India. This
Yeah,
bangle.
yeah.
Nice. That you have rich boyfriend.
No, I got it
No,
from
we don't
myself.
have
I got
boyfriend.
it
It's
from
all our
myself.
money. We
Yeah,
earn.
this gift is
We
from my
earn.
father.
Oh, oh, you got that from your mother and you got that from working. That's nice.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
got it from my
we are
father.
an independent girl. We work
Yeah.
and
That's
we
great.
yeah. So tell me one song I will play. Everybody will dance. Even Deepak will also dance. So
No,
tell
no,
me
I'm
one.
not going to dance today.
Okay,
Uh,
tell me one song. We dance.
I'm trying to figure out what I could I'm trying to figure out what I could
So we want to know how to shake a booty like a belly dance and like a good
do you
dance.
like reggae music?
Yeah, which one?
Yeah,
Tell me.
we love it, and we love your dance a lot, Your Highness. Seriously, you are master. You are a master in that.
Yeah.
And what, twerking? Or
Yeah, obviously
Yeah,
twerking.
yeah,
Yesterday morning you were twerking. Every Indian guys were enjoying you. Yeah.
yeah?
All have
Yeah.
become,
Who
everyone
you
has
They are
become your
crazy for
fan.
your twerk.
Everyone has your fan. Everyone.
who is your favorite Jamaican artist that you listen to?
Jamaican
Bob
artist,
Marley, Bob Marley.
Bob Marley.
Bob
Marley.
Marley. Oh, jeez. That's the only thing Indian people know, Bob Marley. You have
Yeah.
other artists. You have Sean Paul. You have Vibes Cartel. You have
I like Jennifer Lopez. Mostly, I like Jennifer Lopez, and I like Kim Kardashian. I think so Kim Kardashian is more, she's more classier.
Okay, one request, Your Highness. One request. One request. And you'll get, millions fan if you will shake your booty on this song. I'm telling you, million fans in,
Yeah, you
30
will get
minutes.
millions of fans
This
if you do
song,
it.
I'm telling you, India will go crazy for you. This song.
Deepak, help me.
This
Deepak,
song.
Yo, is she still
help
here?
me.
Yeah, she's still here. I'm going in. Oh, no, my brother. I'm going in.
You know Soldier Boys?
Lunch.
Yeah, I know Soldier Boy.
Yeah.
Soldier Boy is some.
On this, please shake booty.
Yeah, come on, come on, come on, come on. Just shake your booty.
You know I came in for the cake. Again, the money ain't the only thing I chased out. She ain't see the stars in the race. So now she got in that motherfucker.
I had to.
Got my type, my sleeve. Gonna be wifey. MC free cash. I love the night, know what money loving. Kitty, no apology. If you wanna get crazy,
She's
crazy.
crazy.
Take it slow and tricky. Come on, baby, be my girl.
Yeah.
Hey, baby, let me see it.
Jalebi. Boom! Your Highness. Come on, shake that
Baby,
booty.
let me see it. Oh, I really
Deepak Singh.
Deepak ji, dekhiye.
Wow.
Just tie your hair. Tie your hair.
Oh my
Your
God.
Highness. Your Highness. Tie your hair. Tie your hair. Tie your hair.
Huh?
Tie your hair.
Ty-
Yeah,
oh, my-
they are the
you're trying to see my butt.
Yeah, that's so beautiful.
So beautiful and so big.
Oh God. Deepak, help me! Hold on 1 second.
Yeah.
Yeah, what you said about my booty now?
We
That's
said
so
it's very
beautiful.
nice and it's beautiful and it's big.
Yeah, you like big booty?
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot.
Okay. When are you girls coming to New York?
When you gonna invite us?
You can come anytime. I don't know if I can travel to India, maybe because of COVID.
Yeah, same is the problem with us.
Yeah.
Even here it's the problem. Are you vaccinated? Are you vaccinated?
If I'm what?
Vaccinated. Why did you put the COVID vaccine?
No.
That's fine. Okay.
No, I mean, I'm still thinking about it. I'm trying to make up my mind to do it.
Yeah,
Are you guys vaccinated?
Your Highness, if you want to travel in different countries, so you should be vaccinated.
You should need to get vaccinated 2 times. Yeah.
Did you guys get vaccinated?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How was it for you? Was it okay? Did you get sick afterwards, or you're okay?
No, I am not vaccinated. I haven't.
It's a sickness of I think 2 or 3 days. That's for your immunity system. That's all.
Sickness for 2 or 3 days. Oh wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm still thinking about it. I might get it done. I'm still thinking about it.
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
Get
And
it
then
done. Get it done.
get it done and come to
Then
India.
come to our place. Then come to our place,
Yeah.
and we
We'll
can
shake our
hang
booty
out
together.
here and shake your booty here.
Right. Yes.
Yes.
You guys gonna take me out, and I'm gonna shake my booty. Yes.
Sure,
Yes.
we will take you. We will take
And
you.
give
Look
us
at
some
Deepak.
Snazzy will manage your VIP entry because she had invited me to Delhi
Yeah.
as a VIP guest, and it
Yeah,
was
she's
my
a very
honor.
good host. She's a very good host.
Yeah.
That's nice.
And give some tips on how to increase the size of the booty. How to
How
get beautiful
how to
booty.
beautiful booty.
You want to get your booty done?
He-
Thick. Yeah, we want it thick.
We want beautiful booty like you.
You can gain some weight and then have them take the weight from your body and put it in your booty.
Oh,
Is
okay,
it?
okay.
Did you go like
No,
under
not
the
for me.
knife?
No, I didn't do that. I didn't do that. I don't want to touch my stomach. I feel like it's gonna mess me up. Like
Hi, Viral.
I feel like every time if you do surgery, every time you move something, it causes a problem.
Mm-hmm.
You do your
Yeah,
lips, you gotta fix it. If you do your face, you gotta fix it. You gotta keep fixing.
So it's real for you?
So yeah, for
You're-
me, I'm taking my booty off. I'm taking it down. I want a small butt.
Oh, you want a small?
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, because I can't wear high fashion clothes. You know, high fashion, I can't wear it. It doesn't look proper on me. I have to wear like tights and stretchy clothes. So I want to get my butt nice and little, like really nice and plumpy, not too much.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. That's very nice.
Yes. Too much is too much.
I feel those who don't have booty, they're also not happy, and those who have, they're also not happy. Nobody is satisfied with themselves.
Nobody is happy. But when
Yeah.
my butt is a little bit smaller, I'll be happy because then I can get to wear the pants that I want to wear, the stuff that I want to wear. I can't wear certain things now because my butt is so big.
But it looks so sexy.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, trust me, you're very sexy. You are very sexy. That's for sure.
And
I
you
really
are
like your
Deepak's,
lips. There is one Indian actress, her name is Priyanka Chopra. Priyanka Chopra, and your lips are like Priyanka Chopra.
Yeah.
I am mixed with Indian, so that's why I'm exotic. Hello.
Oh, that's great. That's great.
You know that, Deepak. I'm mixed with Indian. My grandfather.
Yeah, you told me. And in Jamaica, there
from
are so
India. My
many
grandfather
Indians.
from India.
Okay.
In Jamaica, there are so many Indians.
Yeah.
So, like you like Indians? How you find them?
What you mean, like find Indians?
Have you ever fucked by any Indian guy? Have you ever fucked by any Indian guy?
It never happened. That's crazy, right?
No, that's not crazy. They always respect your body. They will not fuck you crazily.
No. I mean, I never dated an Indian guy. I never met one.
You should.
No.
You should.
You should date an Indian guy.
It's
Definitely.
really good.
They'll give
I
you a
will
lot of
introduce you an Indian fucker. He is a big fucker. Okay, I will introduce to wait. His name is Nabil.
Okay, you add Nabil, I go down. Acha, okay.
Okay, just tell me Nabil ka spelling bata.
13 Qureshi 13.
He's Casanova, this guy. All girls are crazy for him, this guy. If you see his video, he is dancing like man. He's the real man.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm introducing you. See, he's a real man.
Oh, the real man. Oh my God.
See,
Hi,
look at
Highness.
him.
How are you?
Hi Nabil, how are you?
I am super good. How are you? Hi, Deepak. And I don't see the fourth person. I can see her.
She's my friend.
I know. I've been watching your live, but I cannot see her. The screen is all blank.
Yeah,
Okay.
she lost connection.
Yeah,
Wait,
she
I
lost
will take
connection.
her on call again.
She
Wait,
got
two
Gucci
banana
but not got
minutes.
a good connection.
Let me get it. She jalebi. I suggested that song. I suggested that song. That's like one of the best songs.
Yeah.
मैं घर छोड़ के जा रहा हूँ मम्मी ने तो घर में आज बनाई है जलेबी. So Deepak, how are you?
I have good connection. It's not me. It's Instagram.
Hey, hi, Highness. How are
No
you?
problem.
Hi.
So I'm Qureshi. I'm from Delhi, the heart of India, the capital.
That's nice. Nice to meet you.
Same here. It's lovely. I've been watching your live since
How is the
yesterday.
weather there? How is the weather?
It's pleasant these days. It's not that hot, not that cool, but it's fine. Yeah.
This guy, he gets fucked by me. This guy,
And I love it. Believe you me,
whenever
I
I
love
go
it.
to
Yeah.
Delhi, this guy, he comes to my hotel and I fuck this guy.
Yeah. But you know what? Last time he came, I asked him to get the 12 inches dildo, but he got that 8 inches. That doesn't
Wait,
fit me, you know.
wait, wait,
Yeah,
wait, 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 wait. For the love of God, wait, 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 wait.
yeah, yeah,
This
yeah,
guy,
yeah,
you know
yeah.
what he does? Whenever I go to Delhi, he takes my dick in his mouth.
Oh, I
Wait,
love
wait,
it.
wait, 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 wait,
Oh, wow.
wait, wait. Wait, is this real? Is this
This
is
is absolutely real. You doubt that?
No, no, we are just kidding. I'm just kidding you.
Come on, we're kidding, we're kidding, we're
Jesus,
kidding, we're kidding.
Deepak?
Actually,
Yeah.
this guy, no, no, see, this guy, he is gay. He is not man. This guy, he is
Hey,
gay.
दीपक ऐसे
Okay.
ऐसे ऐसे मत इंट्रोड्यूस करो.
अरे चुप
No,
कर
no,
चुप
no.
जाएगी इसके वीडियो दिखाऊं क्या मैं इसको बेचो शर्ट ऊपर
Okay,
कर
now, now,
कर
now, now tell me one thing. Now tell me one thing. If a person, Your Highness, I'm talking to you, right?
Right.
If a person dances and he tries to expose his body, does that define you as somebody who's not straight? I don't think so.
I don't think so. And this is what
Yeah, it's
this
just
is
an
my
art.
this is my
Yeah,
problem with the world. Like people tend to judge you
yeah,
because you want to express yourself and be happy in your own skin.
ab
And I think it's
absolutely,
so stupid.
See, this guy, he
absolutely.
has got gang of 10 guys. What they do, they go to below bridge and they suck dicks of people, strangers, this guy. Night, what
Naveen,
he
come
does,
on.
he closes his restaurant.
Let
Then
him
he
get done.
then he goes to railway stations and Haryana में Parivahan Bus Nigam Adda. And then this guy, they suck
Uh,
in bus and all. Bus
Okay, okay,
Adda, this
Highness,
guy.
Highness. Let me make the picture more clear for you, Highness. What
Okay.
Deepak was trying to say is, whenever he comes to Delhi, he wants me to take him to all the hunting places of Delhi.
Right.
Wherein all the paid boys they stand there. So he loves meeting those paid boys, and he loves to sleep with them. That's what he's trying to tell you, because he is into random hookups. He loves random hookups. He doesn't like dating somebody online and then knowing the person for long and then being on the bed with that person. No. He believes in, yeah, he believes in FNF.
No, no,
You know
no, he's
FNF?
just joking.
You know FNF? Fuck and
Yes.
forget. That's what he do. Fuck and forget.
Deepak is true.
Yeah,
He's just
last time it
kidding.
happened. No, I'll be very honest. I'll
See,
be
I
very
will show
honest.
you his. Give me a moment. I will show you his videos, and you will
Yeah,
come
I'm
to
sure
know
you
this
would love
kind
my
of.
videos.
You know what
You
we
would
call
love
him?
them.
We call him Ganmari Pistol.
Oh
I will show
wow,
you
I
which
love
kind
it.
of
I
person
love
he
it.
is.
I love it. I
He's
love it.
Wait.
roasting you.
You know what he's saying in Hindi? I'll tell you what he said in Hindi. He said that he calls me, or some stupid asshole people calls me. You know
Ganmari
what bottom is?
Pistol.
Bottom. You know what bottom is? Bottom.
Yeah.
The bottom gun. They call
Yeah.
me the bottom gun. I don't give a fuck to it. Who cares? You know, people bark, and I really don't care.
See, you just see
Now you
what
watch my
stupid thing
video,
he's
and if
doing.
you don't
See,
like it, tell me it's not good. If it's not good, tell me.
see.
अबे म्यूजिक तो लगा दी. कोई और लगाया दीपक? Dipal, play some other video. Is it bad?
No,
I mean,
no.
he's such a
Are we
stupid
going to
person.
follow
You know
each
what
other?
he's doing? He's wearing pink underwear. Pink underwear.
No, no,
He's
no, no.
wearing
That's
pink
not an underwear. Every boy wears a boxer under the denims. So I wear a boxer. You wear your lingerie, and then you wear the boxer, and then you wear your denim. It fits nicely with your booty.
I think
See, check this video. Check this video. ये दिखा video. ये दीपक ये video दिखा. See, wow. Oh, I'm wearing the same shirt.
कुछ नहीं सच बात जो बयां की
I
दहाड़
like this
है
one.
दमागी मर्दान की मस्तान की
See, in India,
I
you know
like
what people call him? In India, people call this guy Gandwa.
I fucking don't care. You tell me. Was that bad? Was that
that
bad?
was a nice video. I love it, Deepak.
Thank you so much. Are we following each other?
Of course.
See, this guy is crazy for my personality. So what this guy does, He sees my video and then he shags
Oh my
because I
God.
look like
You
man.
really
So
think I
this
would
guy
do
is
that? You really
crazy
think I
for
would
me.
do that? You really think I would do
Stop when
that?
you're on live.
No, you tell
Yeah,
me. You
whenever
really think I would
last
do
time I
that?
had come to Delhi, he told me that Deepak, fuck me, I will give you 10,000. He likes my dick because I'm a real man. But this
No
guy,
way.
he is Gandwa. I don't like him.
Oh,
He
he
is
doesn't
Ganbari
like me. That's the
Pistol.
reason he's got me on the live. There are so many people watching the live, out of which he's only selected me to be there on the live, on the broad, on the same screen with him. So use your great selves, Highness. You know, you're smart enough, right? You're from New York. So you tell me one thing. Do you really think if I would have ever been into the same sex, would he ever be my taste? Tell me honestly. Would he be my taste? Be honest.
He's everybody tastes.
Yeah. So do you think do I look ugly? Do I look ugly by any
You're
chance?
a handsome person.
And do you think I would date this guy or I would sleep with him?
Because I'm rich. I'm very rich person.
Oh, you know what? Okay, cool. He's rich. He's
See,
very rich.
I'm
Wow.
Instagram king. I'm Instagram king. I'm very famous person. So what
Instagram
this guy
doesn't give
tells me
you
that
no 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 no. I tell you what.
he says that I
Listen,
will lick your ass, but you
Deepak.
follow me.
No,
Okay,
He
we
was
Deepak.
never
ready to
lick that.
lick my
Okay.
ass.
Deepak.
So the choice of word
Deepak.
is wrong. We never lick the ass. We always rim the ass.
Okay.
Okay, we don't lick the
Listen.
ass. We rim the ass. We lick the pussy, not the ass. To be more precise. Right, Snazzy?
Dancing was awesome. I loved it.
Thank you.
You're a handsome person.
Thank you
You
so
understand?
much.
I think Deepak is just making you upset.
Yeah. We are friends, you know. We're just pulling leg. That's it. He's just
Is
trying
he
to,
your
you know.
friend? Is he your
Yeah.
friend, Deepak?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he's my friend. I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
I'm just
He's
joking.
such a
Yeah.
sweetheart. Believe you me, Your Highness, he's such a sweetheart.
I
We
know.
we do talk at times. We do talk, and he's such a sweet soul. He's such a sweetheart. You know, it
I
takes lots of courage, you know, to make people laugh, and
yeah,
while
I
somebody
know.
abusing you, you know.
I
अरे
feel his
भोसड़ी क्या
energy.
मेरा गू खाएगा क्या मादर चोद मैं
Just
इंस्टाग्राम किंग हूँ भोसड़ी के फॉलोवर्स के लिए मादर चोद मेरा गू खा ले बहन के लवड़े
मुझे
दीपक
तेरे
कलाल
से
का बेटा
फॉलोवर्स कभी ना मिले ना कभी मिलेंगे दीपक, you know. Don't worry. मैंने
I'm
को कभी
taking Deepak to Jamaica. When
Yeah, I would like to come
COVID
to
is done,
Jamaica.
I'm taking him to Jamaica.
Then
Oh
we will
wow.
stay in Kingston. Then we will go to Havana and all that,
And then we'll
Cuba,
go to
and we
Montego
can go to
Bay. We're gonna
Haiti.
have fun.
ये अपनी ये
We can go to
ज्योग्राफी की ना
Haiti.
गांड मत मराया कर दीपक जब देखो ये अपनी ज्योग्राफी बीच में घुसा लेता Jamaica, Hawaii, and you know what he said right now
Mhm.
in Hindi to me, motherfucker. That's what he said. Now a friend,
Oh
do
my.
a friend say that to somebody? If you're a friend to somebody, would he say motherfucker to you? That's what
No,
he
no,
just
no.
said.
That's
Mother
not a
chode.
justice.
Okay, Your Highness, you know, you say mother chode, say mother chode,
Mother,
mother chode,
mother.
mother chode. Yeah, that means motherfucker.
Oh, I'm gonna say that all the time. Mother chop.
Yeah, say benchod, say benchod, benchod, say benchod.
Mother chop, ben chop.
No, yeah, benchod means sister fuck. You fuck your sister. And say Deepak Gandu. Say Deepak Gandu. Deepak Gandu. Yeah, it's a nice word. I'll tell you in English
Oh,
also.
Deepak
Deepak.
Gandu. Gandu Deepak.
Yeah! That means Deepak is a bottom. Deepak gets squeezed the other way around. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Fine, it's just lovely, lovely, lovely being there on the live with you.
यार एक परफॉर्मेंस हो जाए नबील जी इसको दिखा
Yeah.
दो
हाँ
इंडिया
नबील जी एक गाना
एक
हरियाणवी
गाना
गाना
नबील
एक
जी
ठीक
प्लीज
है दीपक गाना प्ले करो
घाघरी
बता
वाला
नहीं
गाना
नहीं मैं बताता हूँ दीपक मैं बताता हूँ कौन सा गाना लगाना वो लगाओ मेरे
हरियाणवी
पेट
गाना
में हो रही गुड़ गुड़ जब मैंने पिया जी को बताया मेरा बलमा बड़ा सयाना ठंडा कोका कोला
This
लाया
guy is so
हाँ चलो
good.
एक बार हो जाए चलो
आई विल प्ले
ठीक है
क्या है
तेरा वो
Hey,
गाना
शर्ट ऊपर करके
कोका
शर्ट
कोला
ऊपर करके
कोका
तेरा
कोला हाँ
स्टाइल
हाँ 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 मैं अपने तरीके से करूँगा या बट आई एम वेयरिंग द शॉर्ट्स यार
कोई बात
तो
नहीं
कौन सा बेचो
क्या
तुझे
नाम है
प्रॉब्लम है
अरे कोका कोला लिखो ना
भोसड़ी
कोका कोला कोका
Are you
कोला
gonna dance
कोका
for
कोला
us?
Yeah, he's going to
Yes, I'm
dance
gonna
for
dance
us.
specially for you, Highness, and of course Deepak and Snazzy. I'm sure you. ये नहीं है
भाई ये कौन से गाने ढूंढ के निकालता है
ए बेबे मैंने इधर कर
हाँ 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 ये
कोई बात नहीं बेबे चुप हो जा क्या हो गया क्यों रोने लग रही हूँ इतना लेना बेरा मैं अपने नो करते दुखी से रोज पी के पिटने मैंने
Yeah, you're
इसकी
ready.
तो कोई
Ready.
बात नहीं है मेरे लोग तो घड़ा चोखो है अच्छा मेरी सारी डिमांड पूरी करे है
Ready?
What happened?
No sound.
I love it. Work it. Work it.
Bus. Thank you.
Love it.
Wow.
I love it, Deepak.
Amazing.
I
Amazing.
am
You
following
know,
you, Highness. I hope you
I
would also follow me back.
love it. You are so great. You
Thank
are
you so
he
much.
is great,
so
and you know what is his dancing style? He's very famous on Instagram when he takes his shirt up. That
Yeah.
is
Yeah,
very famous on Instagram.
yeah. You know what? You won't believe, Highness. Okay, jokes apart. If I don't do this or if I don't show my booty, I don't get likes. I only get likes. You can even check my Instagram. The video that would be like very decently done, it would hardly get 500 likes. But the video which has got like,
True.
when I'm showing my chest or, I'm kind of thoda sa seductive, I would get 20,000 views and I'll get 50,000 views and 60,000 views. So it's like, ठीक है ना? So there's a saying in Hindi, and I'll translate that in English for you. जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. So whatever you see is whatever you buy,
okay.
right? You show good, you get good out of it. It's like
Right.
as simple as that.
But you're so
You're
you're great, and you're very handsome, and you just move so beautifully. You flow so
Thank
much.
you so much.
I love
Thank you
it.
so much. Thank you so much. Thank
Your
अरे
We would
Highness.
love.
मादरचोद भोसड़ी के 50-60 हजार है ना बेंचोद, मेरे जो सबसे फ्लॉप वीडियो है ना भोसड़ी के,
भाई तो
उसको
दीपक
बोलते
दलाल
हैं
है.
बड़े में
तूने
तू बोल
गंदी
रहा है
गंदी गालियां
जो
खा के
दिखता है
लाइक
तू
फॉलोवर्स
दिखता है
अपने अपने टैलेंट
मादरचोद,
से
तुझे
बनाए हैं.
किसने लिया है? 10 रुपए दिए
ओके.
कभी किसने
नो
भोसड़ी के?
मैं पैसे
हाँ,
देता हूँ लेता नहीं हूँ. मैं पैसे देता हूँ लेता नहीं हूँ. आई डोंट हैव टू टेक
जो
मनी.
दिखता है
आई
वो
गिव
बिकता है.
मनी.
ही इज नॉट फेमस, ही इज बेंचोद, ही इज
ओके.
गिविंग यू ऑल लाइक्स. ही इज नॉट फेमस.
You check out my account. You check out my account, Highness. You'll get to know. Okay, Highness, tell me one thing. What matters the most? A person getting 97,000 followers only by the talent, or a person getting 300K followers just by getting the curse and the abuses from the people? Which is better? Showing the talent and getting 97,000, or getting the curse and the abuses and you get 300K? Which is better?
अरे भोसड़ी के तेरा गू का केक कटा क्या? माधवचोद एक गू का केक कटा भोसड़ी के
Tu
तेरा.
more या ना more? Tu more. The
मेरे
first one is
400
better.
केक कटे
Let
बेहतर
her
लवे.
speak. Let her speak. Let her speak.
Pick up for Deepak. I want people to love me for what I'm capable of doing. But
Yeah.
Deepak shows that he's a very strong person to endure, to be himself and to endure the abuse while he does what he does. That's like me. I do what I want to do, regardless of what you think. So I respect you for that, and I respect you too. So
I think there is some network issue from your end, because your voice is breaking on us. We can't hear you. It's like breaking, yeah. आवाज कट रही है ना स्नेहा जी?
हाँ, इसके
है ना?
चूत में
हाँ.
मोबाइल फंस गया, उसके चूत में मोबाइल फंस गया भाई.
दीपक इंग्लिश में बता दूं तूने क्या बोला?
Deepak,
बता दूं
be
दीपक?
nice.
बता दूं दीपक? दीपक बता दूं?
Deepak, be nice. Deepak is
दीपक
so
एक काम
nice.
करते हैं, कल एक डांसिंग लाइव रखते हैं, फुल ऑन तैयार वैयार होके. स्नेहा जी, इसका ध्यान कहाँ है स्नेहा जी का? स्नेहा जी, स्नेहा जी. Okay, what I was telling to Deepak was, let's plan out a live wherein you, me, Deepak,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
Snaggy,
yeah.
we would all be
Yeah.
dancing, all decked up, all nicely dressed, with all the shimmers and the
Not
glitters,
now. Not now.
Yeah.
Not
Not now. I'm
tonight.
saying tomorrow. Tomorrow. That's what I said. Tomorrow, not today.
फिर चलेगा।
This
फिर
is-
सुनो सैजी, हम कल रखे क्या डांसिंग लाइव, लेकिन हम लोग हरियाणवी गाना भाई, मेरे को इंग्लिश गाना नहीं, मेरे को ये
Same
हरियाणवी
here.
गाने हैं ना।
Only Haryanvi. I love Haryanvi. I am with you. I'm the sport. Yes. So Deepak, you
और
put
मैं
your
तुझे
story.
सच
so
में
that you
इंग्लिश
can-
गाने मैं सुनता भी नहीं हूँ, मैं सिर्फ हरियाणवी गाने।
भाई मुझे भी ठीक है, I can speak English.
Request. Nabil has not seen you dancing, so can you shake booty for
नहीं
him?
नहीं नहीं, सुनना, ए हेलो नबील को ये
No
डांस
more
करने को बोलना।
shaking
ऑल
for tonight.
इन्हें जाने दो, उसको फोन फोर्स
Let
मत
me
कर।
shake. I'll shake
अरे
tomorrow.
नबील को और एक डांस करने को बोल, वो
नबील ने
घाघरी
कर तो
वाला,
दी-
वो
नबील
घाघरी वाला।
नबील एक बार
घाघरी
घाघरे वाला
वाला।
कर दो यार।
वो कौन सा है घाघरा?
I shake
अरे तूने
tomorrow.
सर पे वो घाघरा लेके करता है ना।
I shake tomorrow. You
चोली-
think it's an earthquake? I
चोली
shake
के
tomorrow.
पीछे क्या है? चोली-
अरे वो नहीं रे बाबा, हरियाणवी गाना, उसमें
अरे
वो
वो वाला
बोल
लगा दो,
वो-
पता है कौन सा?
अच्छा
ऐसे एक-
हाँ, नबील बामन गज का
यार आई डोंट नो, मैंने उससे कभी देखा नहीं, मैंने उसका वीडियो भी नहीं देखा। आई नो दैट्स अ नाइस सॉन्ग। मैं बताता हूँ हरियाणवी गाना कौन सा, रुको।
I will shake tomorrow. I will bring the earthquake.
No,
tomorrow. Don't
they are
worry.
not asking you. We are just requesting this guy to dance.
No, they want me
He will
to dance
dance.
again
They
once, you know,
love
they want
you.
me to dance.
Oh yeah, they
Thank
love
you.
you.
और वो लगा दो बहू काले की। नहीं वो लगा दो, वो कौन सा, सपना चौधरी का। नौ लखे ने फेल करे तेरे माथे आला टिक्का,
हाँ बोलो।
अच्छा देखा जल के आगे। यार ये तो फोन पे बिजी है स्नाज जी, पता है। This is not done, you know. You should be occupied with
फोन
one
पे
thing at
busy
one
है क्या
time.
यार, ऐसे मत करना।
हाँ उसने म्यूट दबा रखा है।
गाना
मैं
लगाना
फोन पे
तू, वो
बिजी
बोल
नहीं हूँ,
रहा
मैं
है।
आपके लिए गाना लगा रही हूँ, बताओ कौन सा लगाना है?
वो वाला यार, चुनरी जयपुर से मंगवाई रैन दी सोने दी घरवाली।
ये कौन सा गाना है?
अरे
This
यार,
guy,
तो है
this guy
वो
is so
गजबन
talented.
पानी,
ये
गजबन पानी।
का ही है।
नहीं
He's
ये
so
गज,
talented.
अरे यार ये गजबन पानी है, गजबन पानी ले चली। ये लिखा है देखो किसी ने,
अच्छा।
गजबन पानी ले चली।
ओके
You sing. Go ahead.
I hope my mom dad are not watching the live. Let me see.
भाई सबको पता है तू गंडवा है, तेरे पूरे फैमिली में पता है,
अबे
कोई
फिर
फर्क
बोल
नहीं
रहा है
पड़ने
तू,
वाला
फिर
है।
बोल रहा है। तूने क्या अपनी बेटी भी आनी थी क्या मुझसे? मैं स्ट्रेट हूँ या कुछ भी हो, तूने क्या करना था?
हाँ
सबको
मुझसे भी
यार,
आने
पता
देना
है।
मुझसे।
दीपक प्लीज डोंट कमेंट फॉर दैट।
हाँ यार बस ये वाला कमेंट मत मारना दीपक, क्योंकि मुझे डीएम में बहुत गलत आता है फिर। I do everything, I know, I accept everything, but then do not comment, you know, because your comments turns out to be really haywire for everybody.
Okay. Go ahead.
And let her play the
क्या
song.
माधव चोद इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कोर्स करके आया है जिमी रोड से बड़वा। इंग्लिश
देखा,
स्पीकिंग
तुम्हारे बाप ना एम्बेसी स्कूल से
इसको
पास
पता है
आउट, पास आउट, हम
दीपक
पास आउट फ्रॉम
दीपक की
एम्बेसी
इंग्लिश
स्कूल।
बहुत तगड़ी है, इसीलिए माधव चोद 2000 रुपए का।
शुरू से लगाना स्नैगी, शुरू से लगा। नहीं Okay, I'm done. I've just dropped my phone. I'm so sorry.
Wow. Nabil,
Did
thank
you break
so
your
much.
phone?
You're super amazing.
Pleasure, Snaggy. Pleasure. Your Highness, and thank you, Deepak.
अच्छा
Thank
सुनो
you
are
so much.
so
यार, ये
good. You
नबील
are
को मुझे
so
फॉलो
good.
करना है तो कैसे करूँ
I
फॉलो?
love
ये
it.
नबील,
अभी आपकी लाइफ
अरे you already follow me, Deepak. You already follow me. तुम मुझे already follow करते हो, Deepak.
अरे फॉलो कर रहा था, लेकिन बीच में तेरी गांड है ना, वो दिखाई दी, इसीलिए अनफॉलो
नहीं
किया।
दीपक,
तेरी
अभी भी
गांड
हो रहा है, अभी नहीं, अभी भी है,
Deepak,
अभी भी
I'm
follow
going
है।
to charge my said that. He's so beautiful. Don't you say that about him. He was so good.
Thank you
Liked
so
him.
much. I hope you guys
He
enjoyed
was
it.
so good. He was so good. And he can sing too. I like him.
Yeah, thank you. We like you
He's
too.
so
But
We like you
talented.
too.
his dick doesn't stand. His dick doesn't stand.
His dick do
He's
what?
very
Don't
small. His
listen to
dick
him.
very
He
small.
talks all shit. Don't listen to him. He just, you know, well, you know what?
Like
When we
this?
go to the washroom, we shit from here. But Deepak shits from here. Whenever he opens his mouth, the shit comes out.
I'm getting off here. I can't do this. I can't.
All right. All right. So it was.
Deepak, good night.
Good night. Good night, Your Highness.
What
Good
you
night,
got the
Deepak.
call?
Thank you so much.
Deepak, good night, Deepak.
Love you.
Love you
All right.
more.
Bye.
Good night, Your
Bye
Highness.
bye. ये रुक अभी मैं वो लड़के को लेता हूँ वो बड़वे को वो जो
कौन
दोपहर
सा?
में आया था
कौन?
अरे वो
दीपक किसी
चुप
गाली
आया था
वाली
ना
वाले को
वो
मत लेना यार. मैं गाली वाली के साथ किसी के साथ ऐड नहीं होऊंगा जो गाली देते हैं.
अरे वो डॉल अरे वो
अच्छा. हाँ. I got it. The one with the big titties. No, I checked
भाई
this
कतई
profile.
मेरी जिंदगी
Let me
में
tell you
ऐसा
about
बावड़ी
this.
गेंड मेरी जिंदगी में मैंने इतना बावड़ी
Nice
गेंड नहीं
fight with
देखा
me.
भाई वो
इतना
बंदा
बावड़ी
पता
गेंड
है
नहीं देखा
dolls
मैंने
के साथ, you know, he is like so inspired and so fascinated with the silicone dolls that he has married a doll. I have read everything about him, you know. I think, yeah, yesterday you were there on the live or maybe today, I don't know, but I went through his profile and सब कुछ मैंने उसका अच्छे से चेक करा. पता है
भाई
भाई
लड़का बहुत अच्छा है यार बट मैंने उसको बोला तुझे क्या पसंद है बोला
he is
मुझे
smart.
अच्छे खूबसूरत लड़कों का गू खाना पसंद है अब क्या बताऊं भाई जो
Wow. Knock.
भाई मेरा उसकी बातें सुन के है ना मेरा
समझ
दिमाग हिल
गया.
गया यार
क्यों यार? वो तो अच्छा बंदा लग रहा था. But he
यार
doesn't speak that good
अरे
English. I think
उसने
it's
क्या किया पता है
क्या?
उसने बेंचो फ्रीज में गू रखा था मेरे को बेंचो फ्रीज में से गू दिखाया बोल
Oh my God. Seriously? I
हाँ
think
उसके
they were
बॉयफ्रेंड का
doll
गू दिखाया बोला
and
मैं ब्रेड के साथ गू खाता हूँ बता
और इसने तुझे ये भी बोला ना कि डॉल को क्या कहते हैं, डॉल के लेबल में यू पुट योर डिक एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ. आई डोंट नो, आई वाज वाचिंग दैट.
हाँ यार
हाँ यार, बट दैट इज ओके. पीपल हैव गॉट देयर ओन फिटिश, यू नो. आई डोंट नो. वैसे जाहिल लोग आ रहे थे पता है उसके लाइव पे. मैं उसका लाइव देख रहा था आज. पहले गवार फिटिश बोलने नहीं आता. पता है क्या बोला? फटाई. अबे मैंने कहा गवार क्या
भाई
बोल
बट एक बात है वो लड़का दिल का बहुत अच्छा है भले जैसे भी हो बट दिल का बहुत अच्छा है और उसने उसकी हैसियत बनाई है यार वो बंदे ने
हाँ यार,
बॉडी
you
बिल्डिंग
gotta prove it,
कंपटीशन
no?
में उसने अच्छे अच्छे मेडल जीते हैं तो
नहीं,
मैं यही
बिल्कुल
कहना
ठीक
चाहता हूँ
बात है.
भले बेंचुद वो कुछ भी करता है भले बेंचुद गू खाता हो ब्रेड के साथ बट उसने लाइफ में कुछ किया है वो बंदे
हाँ
ने लाइफ में कुछ हासिल किया है बेंचुद
ये तो है. या मेरा मानना पता है क्या है? बदनामी जब लिखते हैं ना, जब हम हिंदी में बदनाम लिखते हैं ना, तो उसमें से बद हटा दो क्या बनता है? नाम. बदनामी में भी नाम होता है. अभी लोग अक्षय सावंत को इतनी गालियां
बट
देते हैं.
भोसड़ी के तू ऐसी बदबू है ना भोसड़ी के तेरे में बद हटा देंगे तो भी बू आती है तेरी
कुछ भी बोलता है दीपक. कौन है ये भाई? कौन था
सुन
ये?
ना भोसड़ी के तू ऐसी
ये मुझे दिख
बदबू है
नहीं रहा
कि तेरे
कौन
से
है.
बद हटा देंगे ना बेंचो
ए
बद
चुप.
फिर भी तेरी
कुछ नहीं.
बू आती है
कुछ
बेंचो
नहीं.
तू बदबू है बहन के
हाँ
लौड़े
हाँ
मादर
सही कह
चोद
रहा है. अबे भड़वे, मैं तुझे अपने अवार्ड दिखाऊं? देख तू इतना बकवास करता है. आज मैं तुझे दिखाता हूँ अपने अवार्ड्स. ठीक है, पढ़ो स्नैजी. आई होप यू आर एजुकेटेड. मिराज एंटरटेनमेंट ग्रुप बेस्ट एंटरटेनर एंड टिकटॉकर नबील कुरैशी 2021.
नबील कुरैशी बेस्ट
इनायत
एंटरटेनमेंट गिटोरनी बेस्ट
गिटौड़ी.
एंटरटेनमेंट
ये देखो.
गिटोरनी
Wow, beautiful
Yeah,
Nabeel.
बेस्ट
best
एंटरटेनमेंट
and TikToker Nabil
मदरचोद
Qureshi 2009. This was my first award for
ये
TikTok.
देख पलवल में मिला ये
Second,
अवार्ड पलवल में
third,
पलवल
fourth.
लंदन
Okay, ये पलवल
पलवल
बोल
इन
रहे हैं ना.
ब्रैकेट
देखो,
लंदन
इस
पलवल
सोशल में
इन
इसके दोस्त
ब्रैकेट
रुके हुए थे
लंदन
अभी. It's on Holiday Inn. ये Holiday Inn
Beautiful.
वाला Page 3 Entertainment. So I
Wow.
was invited as a guest and then awarded as the best entertainer 31st March 2021. क्या नाम है? नबील कुरैशी. So this is from
You are
Page
so
3. This is again.
talented, Nabeel. And your
See, you know.
communication skill, I am just fan of your
Okay,
communication
yeah,
skill.
no, jokes apart. ठीक है, दीपक हमेशा मजाक उड़ाता है. That's a different thing altogether. But let me tell you guys, I am a passer from Embassy School from Golf Link, and I did my college from Symbiosis, Pune. That is in Koth Road. That's the reason मला माहिती है मराठी. मला मराठी माहिती है थोड़ी, not that much, because I completed my college. I was there for like 5 years. I've been to Lonavala, Panvel, Saswad, Kandala, Dhankaudi, and almost like good area of Maharashtra. So did my college from there, passed out from the Banyan Tree, and then I did my aviation from Cathay Pacific Airlines. So कह सकते हैं हाँ पढ़ा लिखा ज्यादा हूँ, बट क्या हुआ पढ़े लिख के होटल पे ही आ गए अपने बाप के. It happens, you know, when your family has got the business, no, end of the day you end up into your business only, no matter what
बट
you
ये
do.
कंफर्म में बाप का है क्या, जॉब करता है, ये बता दियो एक बार दिल खोल के।
ये कंफर्म है। मेरी मम्मी से मिलाऊं तुझे आज? You want to speak to my mother? She's just sitting like in the next room. She's sitting in the other room, the other side of the door.
अच्छा देना तो जरा मम्मी को फोन देना।
Okay, okay. And Deepak, talk nicely, okay? She's my mother. मम्मी, आपसे दीपक फिलहाल बात करेगा, ठीक है? वो ये पूछता है कि सभी रेस्टोरेंट में ये काम करता है आपका बेटा के मालिक है, ठीक है? तो आप बात करो, ये लगाओ लेफ्ट वाले कान पे, लेफ्ट सही से लगाओ माँ।
Wow.
I let you meet all the cats, you know, I've got a family of cats. I've got Persian cats, silver, grey, white, purple, brown.
कान में लगता नहीं भाई।
अरे आपका आवाज
नमस्ते
आंटी जी
दीदी,
नमस्ते।
आपका जो बेटा है नबील, बहुत अच्छा नेचर है उसका। मैं उसकी इतनी खिंचाई करता हूँ लेकिन उसका नेचर इतना अच्छा है, उसने कभी भी मुझसे उल्टी बात नहीं की। तो मैं जब भी दिल्ली आऊंगा मैं नबील को जरूर मिलेगा। आपका बेटा बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत पोलाइट है।
मोस्ट वेलकम, मोस्ट वेलकम।
और दीदी मतलब मुझे शर्म आ गई कि मैंने इतना उसको सब कुछ बोला लेकिन उसने कभी मुझे उल्टा जवाब नहीं दिया। और मैं हमेशा उसकी खिंचाई करते रहता हूँ। और मैं भी एक्चुअली दिल का बहुत अच्छा हूँ, लेकिन मुझे सब लोग कहते हैं कि आप लोगों की खिंचाई करो, तो मैं उसकी खिंचाई करते रहता हूँ। लेकिन आपका बेटा हीरा है, बहुत अच्छा है आपका बेटा। और मतलब वो कभी भी उल्टा नहीं बोलता, हमेशा वो यही कहता है कि दीपक जी मुझे आप बहुत पसंद हो। तो बहुत अच्छा लड़का है, बहुत ही अच्छा। नहीं, मैं डेफिनेटली आऊंगा आपके रेस्टोरेंट में। और वो बहुत अच्छा लड़का है आपका, बहुत प्यारा बेटा है आपका।
She's from Delhi, ये स्नाजी है।
हेलो,
हाय आंटी जी नमस्ते।
नमस्ते।
और अभी आपके बेटे के 1 लाख फॉलोवर्स कंप्लीट होने वाले हैं, तो मैं उनका स्टोरी डालूंगा मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे।
Oh my God.
और जितने भी यहाँ पे लोग हैं वो सब नबील को फॉलो करो। उनके डांसिंग की एक यूनिक स्टाइल है जो उन्होंने खुद
Wow,
डेवलप
yeah.
की है, जो उनकी पहचान है। तो जितने भी लोग हैं वो नबील को फॉलो करो, वो बहुत अच्छे इंसान है। और मुझे पूरे विश्वास है कि हरियाणा के देसी गाने पे वो डांस करते हैं, ये बहुत अच्छी बात है। हर एक बंदा जहाँ पे इंग्लिश गाने को अहमियत देता है और इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज पे इतना अच्छा होल्ड होने के बावजूद, इतने एजुकेटेड होने के बावजूद भी वो देसी गानों को प्रमोट करते हैं, तो आपको उन्हें फॉलो करना चाहिए।
Yeah.
तो नबील भैया के लिए फॉलो बनता ही है। एंड वी ऑल रिस्पेक्ट हिम एंड वी ऑल लव हिम। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच नबील जी, आप मेरे कॉल पर। आई लव यू। टाटा
मुझे टाटा कर दो।
Tada.
टाटा टाटा।
So you want my
और नबील प्लीज मेरे जोक्स का बुरा मत मानना, ओके?
Yeah, I know that.
Wow.
This is
अरे बाप रे, तो बहुत
Cat
खूबसूरत है। क्या
family.
नाम है इसका?
wait, इसका नाम है
नहीं टाइगर फैमिली।
the daddy cat. Okay, it's a daddy cat.
अरे बाप रे, लेकिन ये तो बहुत ही खूबसूरत है यार ये बिल्ली।
Show you the mummy cat. We have got the whole family of the cats here. They're coming out. She's moody. She's like a bear.
Wow.
तो आपके पास कितने कैट्स हैं?
Cats. She is the mother. Her name is Zara. And that
अच्छा अच्छा, हाँ हाँ हाँ।
Zian. And then they have a baby, Zimba.
अच्छा अच्छा, हाँ हाँ।
And they have the baby. His name is Zimba. I don't know where the baby is. And I have a very, 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 very beautiful 2.5-year-old nephew. His name is Hadi. I've got a good family. My sister is getting married after
Beautiful.
20.
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है नबील, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
Okay, hold on. Let me put my earbuds. Sorry, wait.
हाँ अभी आ रही है।
अभी आ रही है?
हाँ बहुत अच्छी आ रही है अभी।
Okay, great. और बताओ यार।
तो अच्छा यार, आपकी दिल्ली, आपका घर भी बहुत खूबसूरत है। मैं तो आपको
Say hi. Hi. He
Hi.
said hi.
वाह, ये बेटा बहुत प्यारा है,
Hadi,
बहुत ही
give him a flying
खूबसूरत है
kiss.
यार। ये तो
Give him a
यूरोपियन।
flying kiss. Okay, पहले give him a flying. Give him a flying kiss. Okay, give him the flying kiss first. Hadi, Chachu is saying something.
आदि बेटा आप यूरोपियन,
kiss.
ये बच्चा यूरोपियन लग रहा है पूरा। कोई भी नहीं कहेगा इंडिया में, पूरा
Yeah,
यूरोपियन है
Hadi,
आपका
Hadi,
बच्चा।
flying kiss कैसे कहते हैं अपन? Oh, he did the flying kiss. Yeah.
लेकिन ये बच्चा किसका है? आपका है?
हाँ जी भाई।
ब्रदर।
अरे ये बच्चा यूरोपियन जैसे दिखता है, बहुत ही खूबसूरत है ये प्यारा सा बच्चा।
माशाल्लाह, he's very cute.
मतलब मैं तो कहता हूँ कि इसको एड्स करनी चाहिए। ये बच्चा इतना खूबसूरत है, इसको एड्स करनी चाहिए।
No, he's just 2 years, like he's going to be 2.5 years now. So he's very young. Acha, Deepak,
But
I'm going to Kashmir on 5th. Do you know that? I booked my flight today.
अच्छा अच्छा यार, तो हम मिलेंगे ना कश्मीर में। सुन,
हाँ, 5th
मैं
November
कश्मीर में
I'll be
मेरा
in the
5 स्टार
Kashmir.
होटल बुक।
I'll be in Kashmir on 5th November. Like I'll be landing at 1:30 क्योंकि मेरी 10 बजे 10 नहीं 11:30 की
तू
फ्लाइट
एक
है.
काम कर, सुन, मैं तेरे को बताऊंगा मैं कश्मीर में कहाँ पे रहता हूँ, वहां पे आ जा।
Bloody
फिर हम लोग,
get
मेरे
me
को
off
तेरे
from
साथ
the
कुछ
block
वीडियोस
list,
बना।
from the WhatsApp block list. You get me off from that first.
हाँ,
oh
मैं करता हूँ।
Deepak.
सुन ना, मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, फिर हम लोग साथ में रील्स बनाएंगे।
Absolutely. मैंने घर पे भी बता रखा है. मैंने कहा मैं जाऊंगा तो मैं दीपक से मिलूंगा एक दिन. मैं वहाँ उसको लंच वंच पे लेके
अरे
जाऊंगा.
दीपक से नहीं मिलूंगा, मतलब मेरा हाउस बोट है, तू वहीं पे रहना मेरे साथ।
अरे, I'm actually going to my sister's in-law. You know, my sister is getting married in Kashmir. She's getting married in Srinagar, one of the most like royal families of
क्योंकि
Kashmir.
मेरा है ना वहां पे हाउस बोट है, तू रह सकता है मेरे हाउस बोट में।
अच्छा, तुम्हारे हाउस बोट में?
हाँ, मैं, तू मुझे कॉल कर, मैं तुझे बताऊंगा सब क्या सिस्टम है।
I'll give you a call.
चलो let's कर.
ठीक है,
अभी
फिर हम
बात
लोग
कर
रील्स
रहा हूँ.
बनाएंगे थोड़े, लेकिन रील्स में मैं मर्द बनूंगा, तू मेरी चमिया बनना।
अरे फुल ऑन. और फिर तू जोर से बोलना, अच्छा मियां इन कुत्तों के आगे मत नाचना. और मैं बोलूंगा नहीं, मैं नाचूंगा.
Wow, super amazing. That
बट यू नो, कुछ
confidence
भी हो,
I
मैंने आज
just
तुझसे
love.
बात की भाई, मेरे को बहुत मजा आया, और मेरे को तू बहुत क्यूट, बहुत सोफेस्टिकेटेड, बहुत डिसेंट बंदा लगा आज।
Thank you so much, Deepak. Thank you so much. The beauty holes in the eyes of the beholder.
मुझे तुम्हारी कैट्स बहुत अच्छी लगी, मुझे तुम्हारा भाई का बेटा बहुत अच्छा लगा, तुम्हारी कैट्स बहुत खूबसूरत लगी। मतलब पता नहीं क्यों आज तुम मुझे बहुत क्यूट लगे और बहुत प्यारे लगे। मैं तुम्हें पप्पी देना चाहूंगा।
Thank you.
ओके, और जरूर आप मेरे हाउस बोट में आना, आप मेरे साथ रह सकते हो हाउस बोट में।
Definitely, definitely. Thank you so much, Deepak, for inviting me. It's
चलो
my
बाय।
pleasure.
Bye
And
guys.
chalo.
Bye everybody. Bye.
Bye.
Nadeem.
Bye.
Bye Deepak. Bye.
एक मिनट अभी। अरे ये टाइम है ना, सैजी मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूं, मैंने ना लग्जरी, चलो विक्रांत भाई आ जाओ, आप विक्रांत भाई आ जाओ कॉल पे। विक्रांत भाई कॉल पे आ। लॉन्ग टर्म गॉडेस कम ऑन कॉल। चलो भाई, मेरे को भी अभी नींद आ रही है, मैं भी अभी जा रहा हूं सोने। चलो लास्ट में अभी पनौड़ी को लेता हूं। अरे विराट भाई, विक्रांत भाई आओ ना, तुम लोग क्यों नहीं आ रहे हो? रुको, मैं अभी पनौड़ी को लेता हूं कॉल पे। फिर मैं भी अभी जा रहा हूं सोने को। साव को लेता हूं लास्ट में। बेंचोदी पनौड़ी के नाम से तो 4-5 अकाउंट खुल गए यार। पनौड़ी बेंचोद बहुत फेमस हो गया।
Watch my followers go up.
Hello, Sav. How are you, my baby?
Yo, what's up?
Fine, fine, my baby. So, do you have any homie now today? Hello, my baby. How are you?
He said, hi, baby.
Beyonce.
Say hi.
Wow. Love you, my baby. Hello, my booty girl, my homie girl. Oh my God, my Instagram live is going to get over.
Say hi.
Hi. Oh, this a nigga.
Hello, my
Like,
baby.
right,
Hello, my
friend.
booty,
Hey,
my
friend.
booty.
Where you
My
been at?
Instagram live is going to get over. See you again. Bye. Take